and welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Sam prepared to go all out despite V cautioning him against showing off. The lacking stranger is finally identified. Jack goes over and above Ben's expectations, much to Figile's annoyance. Lucy finds Sebe's behavior strange on Tuesday. Kamohelo reaches his breaking point after visiting his mother with Lulama and an uncomfortable conversation with the commander. Lucy's fear of what G-Wagon has discovered lead her to spiraling. Figile stands up for herself. Tao gives advice to Lulama on Wednesday. Kamo's desperation gives Lulu an idea. Nowazi invites herself to Sam's sorry and gives herself the cake job as well. Lucy has a nerve-wracking appointment with her doctor and seek comfort with Godflow on Thursday. V is worried about Sam is going overboard in his attempt to throw a perfect Lucy leaves Sebe in charge while she gets her test results. Kamo and Lulu hatch a mysterious plot to help Kia. Charmaine turns up the heat on Friday. The Morocco gets devastating news. Lulu desperately tried to use newfound info to help Kia. Lucy tried to expedite her test result without success and finally confides in someone. Sam's dinner gets off to a wobbly start. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.